Okay, video number 2 on a cold start here, just to show you how easy this bike starts up here. In just a minute, we're going to fire it up here, but just so you know, it is not warm right now. It's cold, ambient temperature outside. Okay, here we go. Let's fire it up.
Okay, on. Fuel, I'm going to run it on reserve because it's a little low on tank.
That's great. Very reliable. You're not going to have any problems with this one. I sure don't see anything coming out the pipe besides carbon monoxide. Next video, we're going to take you for a drive. Stay tuned. Click on the next one.